In this video, you'll learn about the best 30-inch all-gas Pro ranges, their best features, and their problems. We saved the highest output range for last, so let's get started. Dual fuel is really their specialty, not all gas. That stove is always evolving, with the last change in their convection system happening pretty recently. Their gas model, not so much. This model is a bit underpowered with 3 15,000 BTU burners and 1 9,000 BTU, but it simmers well at 340 degrees on all the burners. You do have an infrared burner to broil and sear like all the other models on this list. Wolf is probably the best for service in your area, but we recommend checking reviews in your area. Wolf is underpowered and a bit underfeatured without a clock, timer, smart features, or guided cooking, unlike their dual fuel. Miele has a solid all-gas Pro range with twin convection, and look at this, even a clock and timer. This range is incredibly cleanable. The grates are dishwasher safe, while the racks can be left in the oven during the self-cleaning cycle. Miele is one of the only companies in gas with self-cleaning. You have decent power on their cooktop with 3 19,000 BTU burners. However, their contemporary style is limited, and you have no color options. The Thermador Pro Harmony features their star burners with decent output at 2 18,000 and 2 15,000 BTU burners. In theory, the star burner distributes more heat throughout the pan for more even cooking. I think heat hits the pan and the pan cooks the food. Either way, the benefits of the star is it's raised to clean underneath. 2 burners simmer at 100 BTU, which is the lowest. However, it is the on-off, not continuous simmer of the Wolf. You have the basics of smart functionality with recipes throughout their Home Connect app. Thermador is relatively inexpensive at $5,000 with a free dishwasher. You don't have a clock or timer with Thermador. You don't get colors, which you don't on any of these ranges except the last one. Thermador may be less expensive, but Monogram at $5,600 for all gas has a similar rebate plus a clock and timer. You have a ton of different moods, including proofing, plus a basic recipe conversion from your regular recipes to convection. Thermador, Wolf, and Miele have good smart functionality. Monogram may be the most robust with Smart HQ. BlueStar is extremely hot. How hot? The front burners are 25,000 and 22,000 BTU. You are probably cooking on 12 to 15,000 BTU on your current range, so BlueStar is an upgrade. The other burners are 18,000 and they simmer at 1,300 BTU. You can buy any of the ranges mentioned so far. They all have different attributes, but they look basically the same. With BlueStar, you can choose 1,000 different colors and 10 trim packages. You can also choose your own custom color as well. Also, their convection system is truly different. Wolf, Thermador, and Monogram are single convection. Miele is twin convection. BlueStar is the only pure convection 30-inch all-gas range, so the heat is blown from the back rather than the heat rising from the bottom of the stove and then being distributed by 1 or 2 fans. So the temperature should be even more consistent throughout the oven. BlueStar has no smart or any other kind of functionality. It is also an open, not sealed burner, which is good because you can easily disassemble the top to clean at your sink, but not as good if you spill a lot because you have to clean underneath the burners. Now, if you want to see how these ranges compare to 30-inch dual fuel Pro ranges, click this video and thanks for watching.